Okay, good. So yeah, so that's how it looks like. So currently in production mode, we support only two networks, Unicity and Polygon, and USDT or native Polygon for swapping. But this will be changed in the coming hours. I will be introducing more networks. And meanwhile, let people test and play around. So I applied very small guards in the beginning for how much you can transfer, just to make sure that if it really does something crazy, people don't lose that much of money. So if everything is fine, I'm going to raise maybe even tomorrow already these kind of limitations, like 5 alpha, 50 matic, and how much was it? 10 USDT. Yeah. So for the moment, yeah, we can create this kind of deal. Let's say let's swap Unicity some alpha for Polygon for USDT at Polygon network. So let's say I put something like 1 alpha here and 1 USDT here. Okay. And then I can also name my swap somehow. Let's say demo alpha USDT at Polygon. This is timeout, by the way. It is how much time we should wait till the deposits are being done by both parties. If they're not done, then everything that was deposited in the escrows are going to come back to the original owners. So okay, let's create a deal. Boom. So deal was created, and now we can just share these links to A and B parties, or we can send them by mail. I will probably create some specific place where everyone can shoot their suggestions and stuff. So this is a very beginning, just it's very fast version. I was mostly focused on the security of the whole process rather than on other things. But okay, so let me open the deals. Okay, maybe I copy just a link. I don't spend much time on the rest. Paste. Okay, this is seller's A page. This is totally, yeah, it's public thing. So while the deal is not, let's say, while the data about this A and B traders are not being fixed yet, locked yet, so anyone can basically see what's going on, and anyone can put anything they like here, any kind of address and stuff. But once addresses have been put, this whole thing is locked and then cannot be reversed. And this is done for security reasons, so that once I locked my let's say payment and return addresses and stuff, so no one else could modify it. So then it's safe. All right, my Unicity address is something I need to remember what it is. I copy it from external, from some other place. So it's going to be this guy. And then my Polygon address is something like this. This one. And then I can submit my details. It says once submitted, you cannot change it and stuff like that. Are you sure? I'm very sure. Go on. Okay, this is locked. And then the deal status called created, and then this thing is explained. This is explainer. It kind of helps you to go through the process to understand what's going on. So it says partially ready. We are waiting for party B to fill in their data. So seller A has submitted wallet addresses and waiting for seller B to provide wallet addresses. Seller B needs to submit payback and recipient addresses in Polygon and in Alpha respectively. What happens next? It explains and so on. And these are balances of the escrows. So it's your escrow balance, like on where you should deposit stuff, Alpha, and this is a counterparty balance. And that's what actually the address of your escrow in Alpha. It says amount required 1.003 Alpha because they commission something like 0.3%. It calculates here. I can remove commission. Maybe I can keep it. I don't know. Currently, I keep it. I found lots of money. I'm going to send, let's say, a bit more. Oh, I can send maybe 1 alpha. Oh, wait, sorry. You don't see what I'm doing. Oh, that's okay. I'm going to send 1 alpha, and you see what's going to happen. Okay, it's 2 transactions. And then also I'm going to send, yeah, you see, it's almost ready. It says partial funding, 99.7%, because I didn't pay commission fees. I can pay them. I can maybe send another one. It's okay to send more than it is required because the rest will be sent back to you. Let's say 0.1 alpha. Send. Because here, this address, this is your return address, by the way. So that's where the money will, all the rest that is not participated in swap will be from escrow, will be returned back to you. This is a normal thing to do because I could imagine that you better, it was always better to put a little bit on top, just to make sure the system has enough to run the transactions and all kind of stuff. In general case, in alpha maybe it's not that relevant, but in general you would do that. Even though the system tells you how much exactly it needs for the execution to happen. Okay, let's work at the party B side, okay? So here in alpha we are fully funded, so our escrow is fully funded. So on alpha, on A side everything is ready. On B side not. Let's copy this link and go and pretend us to be Bob, let's say. Yeah. So you are asset seller B, so you are B seller. So you need, we need to deposit 1 USDT. But first we need to fill in addresses. Actually, they are not even filled in. So let's see. I need my Polygon address for party B. It's going to be this guy. Boom. Then I need some return address. Payback address, not payback, sorry, recipient address. So that's where I'm going to receive alpha sent from A. I'm going to send my USDT. USDT is going to come to A recipient address at Polygon site, and I am on B and going to receive alpha that was deposited by A for swapping. Okay, I'm submitting my details. I'm sure everything is fantastically cool here. It might take, this is small delay. Okay, it's done. Sometimes user interface taking a few seconds to respond. But this is probably some optimizations needed for this client-server communication, basically. Okay, what we have now? Now we switch to collection status. Where all the data are submitted, we are in collection status. So it says that both parties need to deposit. Seller A has deposited 0%. But this is because backend didn't pick it up yet. Frontend already clearly sees that everything was filled in. And B also has to deposit. So it says how much. So party B has to deposit 1.0040 USDT. How it was computed? So there is this fee that depends on the price that's been transmitted, and then there is a fixed fee that is needed to pay for the gas execution, because this is ERC20 contract. ERC20 cannot pay by itself for the gas, so it's being paid by our, let's say, gas standing deposit account. And I collect in equivalent amount in USDT. Currently it's fixed, but later it should be, we should request the conversion rates from Uniswap or something, or some other place, or maybe use what they call this, whatever this call this Oracle system that is going to return us the real USDT to Polygon, let's say, or USDT to Ethereum, whatever is going to be correct version, and set the correct amount that we need to collect to fully fund the gas for running this transaction. Anyway, so let's fund it now. So we have our Polygon address that where we have to send USDT. We need to send 1.004 USDT here. So let's do it. Yeah, you see it got it, but not fully. So continue. So okay, I send everything. So you see that is so the system is in collection. 56 minutes left till the deal is going to be reverted, unless we fill in all the escrows. So collection should switch very soon into wait state as soon as the backend detected the deposit by Alice, by seller A. Okay, everything confirmed. We are switching to in progress. Okay, so swap is in progress. So it started. That means that both tokens on Alpha chain, Unicity chain, and in Polygon going to be switched. So in Polygon, you see what's going on here. So we executed a single transaction that did 3 transfers in one shot. One transfer is for swapping, like moving like one USDT to the recipient party, so to like B seller. 0.004 USDT went to the operator as a commission fees, and then refund the remaining 0.1 something came back to the original B owner, B seller. So that's regarding the Polygon part. The alpha part, you also see that swap is going on here. So one alpha was moved to the recipient guy. I mean to B side. So when this results A and B, they swapped one alpha for one USDT, and that's what we see. That's it. And of course, these transactions are not yet confirmed, but there is no point to wait anymore here because they already end up in the chain, so they will be confirmed eventually and things like this. But the job of OTC agent basically is over here. It's done its job. Swap happened successfully. That's it.